Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the NgSwitch structural directive. Structural directives are used to change the extra behavior to the elements and or add or remove element from the DOM. So here NgSwitch directive allows conditionally render the elements based on the multiple cases. It works similar to the switch statements. So we can see a direct example here. So have taken some development in the development ng switch. We should take ng switch in the square brackets. ng switch ng switch So this is the condition here. We are placing day is the condition, so depends upon the condition it will render. So I will show after that. We can place the switch cases for every case. Here I will provide this in the div. What you want to display? Monday, for example. I'm displaying days in a week, so we should take this. So I will provide some ng case switch case ng switch case equal to case should be case, and this case equal to, for example, I will give a case name month. So I will provide 6 days a week. 6 7, the one should be default one, so I will provide that one also. So here we can change the switch cases to Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday. So Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So last one is a default one. So here we can provide default one like this. Sorry, we don't have any square bracket here. We should place all the asterisk symbols, so which is a structural directive, so that's why we can put like this. So we don't use any square bracket, only empty switch can be used this square bracket here. So all the spaces should be use the asterisk symbol before that. So this is the syntax of this ng switch. So mostly we are using this NgSwitch like a switch cases. So it is a one alternate of the switch cases in the Angular. So div ng cases. So here I am providing ng default, and this switch default. So we don't require any value here. This is a default one, right? If this space is not provided, you can go through the default one. Here Sunday, have closed. Yeah, yeah. Here we can observe we have to place a single quotas for a month. So develop this. And here you can go to this. Here I'm providing this fry. So default one will be display if it is not okay. Okay, I think it will be display. So you can see here Monday depends upon the condition. It will display. So here if you want to give some sun, okay, it's not available, so it's a default one, so Sunday will be displayed in here. Other than this also will be displayed Sunday. So if I want to give Wednesday here, then it will display Wednesday. So it depends upon the switch cases, it will be provided. So I will yeah, yeah, now it will working fine. So I hope you understand very well. uh, Please subscribe my channel.